same size.
Oh.
Why don't you take her hat off?
Well, I'd rather not, because she's got to keep her body heat.
Feels warm.
Touch her nose to your lips and see if it's cool.
What's my happy? I've had a cold, but I don't have it. Baby's got the baby. Are you videoing again?
I'm videoing.
Oh, you're videoing.
Everything.
Action, Chloe. Do something big. Flip him off, Chloe.
She'll grab your finger and stick it in her mouth.
She's hungry.
Look at those big old fingers.
She's got long fingers like your mom.
Well, she does have long fingers.
She's got big feet, too.
Long toes.
Legs. She didn't get that from my size.
Look at her. She's in deep thought. She's thinking it over.
What you think about this baby, Ella?
What do you think of the baby?
She wanted to grab it.
Very gentle.
She thinks it's a dolly.
Touch the baby.
Push the baby.
Look over, look over.
That's my dolly. You want your dolly?
See the baby? No jealousy there.
There we go.
Here, look here.
Uh-oh, here.
Watch what she does with the doll.
That doll's head's bigger than the baby.
Scratch its eyes
Yeah.
out.
Oh,
Well, she's being good with
your
that
baby.
one.
She does her hands like this on everything.
Yeah, that's how she feels everything. Where'd Billy go?
Yeah, look at her hands. They're always doing that. Dad, Dad. She's saying Dad, Dad. She's going Dad, Dad. Yeah,
Ella
she'll
learned
say
how to
Dad,
say
Dad.
Mama.
She's saying Dad, Dad. Mama, Mama.
She say Dad, Dad.